In 2008, we founded an exclusive business aviation service. The first step into a world that doesn't waste time in traffic jams, at gates, or at the terminal. We know the demands of our international customers and partners. We process your inquiries quickly and flexibly, and with total reliability. We will be loading the flight into the system shortly, determining the crew, beginning flight planning and flight preparation for your safety. With over a decade's worth of experience working for you, we offer you a new level of planning reliability, even for multiple appointments and long distances between destinations. Discover new time-saving options through point-to-point connections, whether VIP shuttle service, or helicopter flights, or private jets. We plan and organize your trip down to the last detail. We understand your daily challenges and have built on the principle of time management. A general permit for external takeoffs and landings allows us to check your specific departure and arrival points. Our general permit for external takeoffs and landings gives us both freedom and flexibility in choosing your departure and arrival locations. Service packages from one single source that cover the entire travel chain. Experience the next level. Executive charter, aircraft management, handling services. The freedom of flying. Simple, fast, exclusive. BHS. Excellence in business aviation.